Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 better ways to say difficult in English. Number 1, challenging. It means something that requires effort and skill. Example, the exam was challenging, but I managed to finish it. Number 2, tough. It means hard to do or deal with. Example, it was a tough decision to leave my job. Number 3, hard. It means not easy, requiring effort. Example, learning a new language can be hard at first. Number 4, complicated. It means made of many parts, not simple. Example, the instructions were complicated and confusing. Number 5, tricky. It means likely to cause problems if you are not careful. Example, that question was tricky, so many students got it wrong. Number 6, demanding. It means needing a lot of time, energy, or attention. Example, her job is demanding, but she enjoys it. Number 7, arduous. It means very difficult and tiring, especially over a long period. Example, climbing the mountain was an arduous journey. Number 8, formidable. It means very powerful, difficult, or intimidating. Example, she faced a formidable opponent in the final round. Number 9, problematic. It means causing problems or difficulties. Example, the new schedule is problematic for people with children. Number 10, complex. It means made up of many connected parts, not easy to understand. Example, the topic is complex, so it needs a careful explanation. Great job, everyone. Now you know 10 different ways to say difficult in English. Keep practicing, and soon these words will feel natural. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.